Guys, wait, where do we go?
There's no water left.
We are getting ready to go camping today in our matching outfits.
Super cute.
And look at all the stuff we're bringing. I'm so excited. The kitties are sad to see us leaving. Now we're about to embark. Oh wait, my hat. I can't forget that. It's in the car. Guys, we're in the wilderness. This is just the first like 5 seconds of the hike. It's already so intense. Hopefully we don't see any scorpions or snakes. Rachel, you hanging on? I'm scared. 5 seconds in, we're covered in bugs. We're turning back. We're doing a different hike. This ain't for the faint of heart. Take 2 at a less bug-filled hike. That's pretty cool.
Cactuses.
Try it.
Echo!
Echo! Echo! Guys, say something crazy while you're walking up it.
Shit, I just shook my head.
Okay, this is not chill. I don't know if you can see this, but that's a pure cliff right there. This is crazy.
Austin?
I had to go up this sketchy ladder. I stumbled across the tree of life.
Your water bottle here. I can melt the ice. We can get on that.
You just put it in my pocket.
We have made it to the arch. We're on the way back from the arch, and there's another arch that we can hit on the way back, and then it'll be time to go set up camp. This is the live comedy Archway special.
Nice.
Y'all have to tell a joke now.
What do you call a fish with no eyes?
Boo! Boo!
Oh.
Get off the stage! Boo! That's the end of that. Okay, now the sketchiest part is going down this. Which I don't think this vlog is gonna do it justice, but it's so steep. And you really have to grab the chain just to come up it. Okay, Chris is just acting like it's not even hard at all.
Ready? Here, I'll go down first.
Okay, that actually didn't seem too bad when Chris did it. We're literally rock climbing this thing. This is so sketchy. We made it down that sketchy terrain. Barely. Also, my hat looks so whack.
This is what happens when you're desperate for water.
Be careful.
No water left, mile 10 of the hike. Chris, I really don't think you should do this. I do not condone this. Chris got poked, so he gave it up. Thankfully.
Oh, get out of here.
Mile 17. Chris is getting hella sunburned. I've reapplied sunscreen twice.
Where's the other sunscreen at?
In Rachel's bag.
Oh, hey, Rachel, can I get
Hanging in there. Almost back to the parking lot. Mile 20.
Here we go.
We made it to our campsite. There's a storm in the distance, which is a bit ominous, but the weather is looking great so far.
Hello.
Unloading everything. That's the tent pad, so both of our tents have to fit on that. Hopefully it does. Stay tuned. Austin and Rachel got their tent set up, and we accidentally bought a massive 6-person tent. Oh no, it's so big. We have to return it after this trip and get a smaller one because this is absolutely ridiculous. Look at there. That's the size we should have. This is the size that we do have. But, oh well. We officially got fire going. The tents are up. Time to cook some dogs. The chair fell in the fire. Rachel's roasting a weenie. We got some drinks going. Well, at least I do. The others have yet to make theirs.
I thought you were the mixologist.
Yeah, I'll make you one. I'll cook you one up. Cozy setup. How's the hot dog turn out? Let's see how cozy theirs is. Wait, I want to peek at it. Oh, that is cozy. Look. They just have their one big sleeping bag. That's so cute. Cute. Wait, look at her.
Oh, what?
Guys, look at her matching outfits. Look how cute this is. Very chill.
That's what I care about.
This is so vibey. Also, the lighting is so good.
Hey, look at that thing. It's hanging off that thing like a nutsack. Is that recording?
It's rolling.
It's on camera?
You need to put that in.
You play that with a big drop?
Oh yeah. Let's fill that puppy up. No, literally. Yeah, siblings. Siblings are dating. I know. Yeah, we're filming. We're filming. The vibes are immaculate. Give her a quick dip and kiss. Bro, just do it. Oh no, we may have some haters. Too bad we're having fun while camping. Oh no, literally every old person around us.
Can't we just be alone?
No, literally, why can't we be in the wilderness? A glorious sunset. Yeah, for real. Guys, the lighting is unreal right now. I love camping. It is so fun. Like, there's mountains in the back right there. We got the campfire roaring. And then we got the sunset happening over here. Then once it gets dark, we're gonna tell some scary stories. But I think right now I want to do another s'more, that's for sure. And look, Austin and Rachel are being so romantic. Slim Jims on the grill, on the barbecue, nothing like it. What are you even gonna do with those?
Eat them.
Just warm? Just a warm Slim Jim? Not even in a bun or anything?
Grilled.
Boy, fucking like
Grab it.
shrinking up.
Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Warm? It's warm. It's not even hot.
How is it?
That's
good.
actually fucking delicious.
Slim Jims on the grill. Yeah, the horror story. We're telling scary stories around the campfire.
Good buddy?
Wait, look at this huge ass beetle. Wait, Chris, move the light a little bit. Look at
Look at how he's standing. That's interesting.
Why is he doing a handstand?
Yeah, that must be like a defense mechanism.
I don't know, but I don't like it. Let's go. Getting ready for bed and then going to bed in our tent. Ew, ew! That was a defense mechanism. Look at him. Let's go brush our teeth.
Yo, you're a goober, mister.
We're in our tent.
You're fucking in my room right now. Shut up.
They're in the tent right next to us. And we can hear everything they're saying. Whoa, Chris, I don't need 2 melatonin
You
gummies.
said you want to.
No, I didn't.
You told me yesterday when you had to bring gifts.
Yesterday. At 2 for 1 for each of us.
Hey, you guys want a melatonin gummy?
They don't want one.
I want a third one. That tastes good.
Third? He's going crazy with it. Good night, vlog. See you in the morning for this camping excursion. Yeah, it's been really fun. It's been the greatest day ever. Late night pee. Look at this headlamp. It makes it horror movie. Slender Man.
Stop staring at the other people's.
Okay, wait, close your eyes.
Don't shine that and tell them.
Okay, I won't.
Okay. I will. Okay.
This is so scary. Good morning, vlog. Look at this view. That doesn't suck to wake up to. Starting up the fire to warm up some burritos for breakfast. This is the life. Rachel's got us a breakfast spread of some chicken sausage burritos, and I don't even know what's in that tin, but I'm excited. Let's see how this puppy cooked. Yo, it actually cooked really well.
Oh, it's only burnt on one side. Just one of that side.
Or that side'll be the best side.
Oh! Yeah.
Yummy. The campsite is all packed up. We have our trash. I'll dump some water on the fire. And we're ready for today's excursion. This is the Dead Horse Point overlook. It literally looks like the Grand Canyon. Kind of freaky, honestly. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
You don't have to be that close.
Chris.
Ready?
I know. I want some water.
And that concludes our camping trip on the way home. It was a great weekend.